So, hi, Dr. Rohit here from Srinath Eye Care. So, as you all know, 13th of October is the World Sight Day. So, today I'll be talking about age-related macular degeneration. So, what is age-related macular degeneration, also known as ARMD? Okay. So, these are the changes which occur in the macula. So, what is macula? Macula is the centralmost part of the retina which contributes to 90% of our vision. So, the changes which happen in the macula is due to aging is known as age-related macular degeneration. So, how does a patient with ARMD present? The patient usually presents with loss of central vision, blurring or waviness of the lines. Okay, if you are presenting a parallel picture, the patient has a wavy configuration when the patient is seeing through it. Okay, again, depending upon the severity of the disease, the patient can have mild to severe vision loss depending upon the severity of presentation. So, if there is any bleed associated, which is known as CNVM, the patient can also have a loss of vision. Okay, so ideally any person above the age of 60 years has to thoroughly undergo a complete evaluation for both cataract and ARMD. So, ARMD, if picked up early and managed adequately, we can have a very good residual vision after procedure. Usually we give a injection within the eye which is known as intravitreal injection. So, early diagnosis and management can help in the patient attaining a very good visual outcome. Thank you.